Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the camera tracking feature in CapCut. So first, just add a video to CapCut, and then to use the camera tracking, you just need to click on the video and just swipe through the menu until you find camera tracking. So just click on that option. So here you can use between AI movement or camera tracking. I'm going to just use the camera tracking. Then here you can just choose which subject to track: face, body, or hand. So in this case, I'm going to just go with body. Then click on start. Just wait until the camera tracking apply to your clips. Okay, so now the video has been tracked, and in here you can also do some further adjustment. You can choose to fit to the canvas, keep the body size, or blur the canvas. So here I'm going to just preview first. Now you can see the video is moved like this. Okay, I'm going to just activate the fit canvas, I think, so that the video is still like this. Click on the check icon when you're done, and that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.